Andy Harris, Motus Transport. Expectations was, I was kind of apprehensive to think that I'm going to have to get a new body, but the team really helped in creating a solution that was almost what we wanted. So we will actually want to start getting our bodies made to the height that the body was fixed to. So what they did is they cut it down, which was great. Instead of getting a whole new body, which is, 15, 20 grand, they cut it down. So what had happened is the whole top ripped off. We didn't need the height of the vehicles, half a metre off the top, and then kind of putting another roof on from another vehicle that they had there ready to go. The cost element was, I was very surprised because I was kind of gearing up for, that, around over 10 grand mark. I was thinking about a new body and then kind of came back to exactly where we wanted it. So yeah, it was under that. We didn't really lose that much time. It was very fast. I think once we'd signed off and kind of done, it was done within a week. So we were very surprised with that. You don't really get that, especially when you're building bodies and having to build quite a few of them. Quality of the repairs second to none. The team was really easy to deal with, very upfront. They gave you all the information that you wanted and needed and a bit more, and yeah, the body's great.